2-3 in town, 20s north and west. The wind's been howling all day, making it feel colder. That is still the case. Feels like 21 in the city. We're looking at teens and even some single numbers north and west. Few leftover snow showers. We had a couple of snow squalls came on through. See in northwest New Jersey, still dealing with that a little bit. That should die out in the next hour or so. Probably not going to make it into the city. Remote chance there could be a brief flake in some spots, but the main story is the blustery winds and the cold again for tonight. High pressure builds in tomorrow, and then during the day the wind gets a little bit lighter, so some of the sting is taken out of the cold. Temps don't go anywhere though. The high starts to move away, and then another clipper system dives down from the north. That'll bring some clouds our way on Saturday. During the day Saturday it's dry, it's chilly once again, but nothing to worry about in terms of snow or rain. Saturday night into Sunday, a little different story. An Arctic front again approaches. There's going to be a jet streak here that's going to give a little lift to the air. Low pressure really forms late offshore, but enough moisture to produce an accumulating snow. That's what we're betting on. The European model suggesting there'll be a period of snow from 2-3 in the morning into probably midday on Sunday, and then sliding off to the south and east. By that point, the potential, a widespread call right now of about 1 to 3 inches, the 1 being further north, 2 or 3 closer to the city and on south, and maybe a little ribbon of 3 or more through portions of Ocean County and the southern end of Monmouth County. So 26 your low tonight in town, teens, suburbs. It'll feel colder than that throughout. Low to mid-30s tomorrow afternoon, a few upper 30s out east. There's that snow chance late Saturday into early Sunday. Should dry out Sunday afternoon. Hanukkah comes in cold but dry at night, and it remains cold Monday to Tuesday. Finally, some warmer temperatures Wednesday, Thursday next week.